Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you are loving the videos. Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely dish you can see on the screen called Egusi. It is one of my favorite Nigerian dishes. But anyways, let's get straight into the video. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using today in this recipe. Like I said guys, I probably said it before, but I'm not Nigerian. Hubby is Nigerian, but I'm not, and this is how I make it. So you might see some missing ingredients, but like I said, this is how I make it. I'm not really used to the strong African, Nigerian taste. Some things I don't like, so I prefer not to use. Also because I don't really like my house smelling of Africa. But anyways, I've got some beef and oxtail. I've got some dried catfish. I've got the ground egusi. I've got the ground crayfish. I've got white onions, garlic, ginger, Scotch bonnets, spinach, Aromat. I've got Maggi seasoning cubes, and the most important is the palm oil. So yeah, guys, like I said, feel free to add, substitute things as you wish. If you like bitter leaf, then use bitter leaf. If you like to use these locust beans, use locust beans. If you like to use, I don't know, just use it. But this is how I do it, and it tastes just as great. So yeah guys, all the measurements is going to be in the description box. I'm going to speak through it as much as I can, but like I said, all the measurements will be in the description box. I'm going to be using my best friend, which is this pressure cooker. Guys, this is not sponsored or anything, I'm not on that level, but I got this from Argos. It was a bargain. It was like £40 I think, and it is the best thing I've ever bought in my entire life. Literally, it cooks down so well. Certain dishes that take like 4 hours, I can do in 45 minutes. But so it's great for oxtail, it's great for goat meat, it's great for them tough meats. But yeah, that's another story. So let's put all our meat inside, and we're going to just put in a blended puree of onions, ginger, garlic, and a little bit of water. This is basically my stock, so I'm going to cook this down and use the stock for my stew, and also use the meat for my stew. So I'm going to put that in the pressure cooker for 45 minutes, and then I'm going to sit down and continue watching TV. Alright, so 45 minutes have gone by and it's done. Guys, I'm just so happy about buying this. You don't understand how much easier it's made my life. But so 45 minutes and it's cooked it down. It's not super tender, but it's tender enough. I still want a bit of bite in this, because when you're eating like a soft stew with something soft like pounded jam, whatever, I don't know, me, I like a bit of texture. So it's soft enough. But obviously if I was making oxtail or curry goat or something like that, then I would have cooked it down much more. But we move. So yes guys, now I'm going to put this meat on the grill to get that nice brown texture, color. And in this pot, my favorite Dutch pot again, which was a gift from my sister-in-law, thank you Debbie, shout out to you. I'm going to pour in my palm oil, and I'm going to let it get hot, and I'm also going to add in the onions and let it cook down just for like 2 minutes. So once the onions have cooked down a bit, and it has absorbed the color of the palm oil, we're going to add our crayfish. I love crayfish guys. It really does add a different lovely flavor to the food. I sometimes put a little bit too much, but that's just because I really like it. But yeah, just adjust it to whatever you're feeling. And also with the egusi, which we're next gonna add, I've added a little bit of water to the ground egusi to create a sort of paste, and we're gonna gradually just pop this into the pot to fry. And yeah, just continue watching guys, not much to say here. So once the egusi has been cooking for a while and you know it's absorbed the colour of the palm oil, we're going to add our tomato mixture. So this is literally just blended tomatoes and blended Scotch bonnet and blended sweet bell pepper, and we're going to pour this mixture into the egusi, and this will create the actual stew base.
I am feeling good tonight. I am feeling good tonight. I can't explain.
So keep checking your egusi, keep stirring because you don't want it to burn. It's something that does cook quite quickly and will tend to stick to the bottom of the pot and burn. So keep stirring, don't leave it too long without your eye on it, and yeah, just keep